Ladies and gentlemen, in today's lecture I would like to cover very useful topic. Our topic is how to speak without preparation, how to communicate without prior preparations. It's also known as extempore speech. So in extempore speech, you speak without preparation, without realizing that you have to make speech in front of the people. So you go to the ceremony, you go to your brother workshop, you go with your kids, you go with your friends, and they instantly they call upon you and they say that you have to say some few words. I would say that mostly in farewell parties, especially these are conducted in colleges, university and schools. So what happens? They call upon any person. They say that you say some words related to this farewell speech. Make sure whenever you are called upon such kind of situation, you must start your conversation, your speech with beautiful quote. Start with beautiful quote and end with beautiful quote. So here I would like to mention, if you are in such a situation, you must start with PITT. So I have prepared this formula. Whenever you are in a situation, you must talk about the people. They are present over there. They are on dais, they are on stage, they are sitting in front of them. So you must talk about the people, principal, guest, chief guest, they all over there. You must discuss about them. You must say some words about them. That I am thankful to the president, principal. They have called me over here, and I'm happy to see all these people. They are very beautiful peoples, and I'm among them, and I am enjoying these situations. You must introduce, you must tell some words about them. You must say some words about the people, principal, president. He is present over there. Then discuss something about place, which is also known as institution, school, college, university, or organizations, or any company you are present, because you are on extempore speech. Extempore means without preparation. So you must discuss about the people present over there, say some good words about them. Then you must discuss about place, institution, university, college. So once you discuss about them, then you travel step by step towards issue, task, topic. So you must relate with some philosophical quotes as well. If you know some quotes of Bacon, Seneca, or Diogenes, you know some quotes from Aristotle's book, or Plato, Socrates, you must relate them with your speech, your task. This way your speech will be very powerful. People will admire you that you know something about the topics. So you've got the topics, and you must discuss from place to the task, to your topics. So say some good word. For example, you are talking about life. You must say that life is not mere bed of roses. There are many tests and trials, and you have to pass through, and you have to make hard work, and you have to take long journey to get success. So this way you must start with some philosophical quotes. So if you're talking about scientific knowledge, you take some quotes from Bacon. You can either take from philosophical people or some scientists. You must discuss them so that people should be inspired. They will be inspired. They will say that how this person is speaking beautiful without preparation. People are not expecting that you will make a long speech over here. People are expecting that you are preparing you are talking without preparation. It's just an extempore speech. Then you can discuss about another thing, which is time. So whatever you are discussing, you must discuss about the past. You are talking about any issue, you are talking about any task, you are talking about any institutions. You must discuss about the past related to the same organization, school or college. then you will move towards present, and ultimately you will come to the future. So this way, present, past, futures, three times will be discussed. You will discuss about the past, you will discuss about the presents and futures, and you will end your speech with beautiful quote. Now I would like to end my speech with beautiful quote by Seneca, by Aristotle, by Plato, by Socrates, by Diogenes, by Jean-Paul Sartre, by Samuel Beckett, by other philosophers. So you can take any philosopher, you can take their quotes, and you will end with philosophical quotes that will give good impressions. So if end is well, all is well, you should give good conclusions to your speech. So this formula is very beautiful, because this formula I have prepared myself. First of all, talk about the people, then talk about your institutions, college, university, then you move towards a kind of place or task, whatever you have, then finally you move toward times. So times, there are three things you are going to discuss in times: past, present, and futures. If you follow this, that will be very easy for you. Sometimes people, they are hesitant, they lose their confidence, they are blank, they stuck in a situations. But once you follow this technique, first you follow people, you talk about the people, then talk about your institutions or college, university, then you move to what task you have, and then you talk about the times. If you follow this, that will be very easy for you to discuss about the topic, about extempore speech, which is called without preparation speech. That will be very easy for you. So you will be no more blank, stuck, or hesitant if you follow this formula. Stay blessed and have a nice day.